everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is An, and on the channel I'm sharing my passion with K-pop, makeup, anime, and gay culture. So if you're interested in any of those topics, consider subscribing down below. And today we're reacting to SSAK3 Beach Again. Okay, so this is, I don't know, is this like a real or more like a comedy kind of like Sailor 5 thing? I don't know. I saw them on like actually promoting on music show and all that stuff, and I kind of want to see. So this is there's what's his name, Jang Wins Ju Jae Suk, yes, the MC, the big MC guy, and then B Rain and Lee Hyori in here. Okay, let's get started. And I wonder why it's called Beach Again. Like, is this like a more like retro throwback kind of thing? Yeah.
Yeah. Sax in the house. Come on. Sax 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I definitely feel a little bit of retro vibe. Oh my god. You know, it's been so long. Sorry, I'm taking out some bobby pin in my hair. It's been so long that I heard B Rain, and he sounds so warm and nice. I don't like to actually like focus on vocals this time, because normally his song is more, you know, focus on being sexy. Anyway, he also still looks so good. Yeah, this never feel like more like a 90 kind of song.
다들 덥다고 막 짜증내.
괜찮아 우리들은 따뜻해.
내가 땅 빠져버린 널 이제 구하러 가지 않을 거야.
모래 위 펴펴펴 편지를 써. 밀물이 밀려와도 못 지워.
추억이 될 뻔한 첫 느낌 너랑 다시 한번 받아보.
Rain. He's still so. How old is he and why he's still so fucking sexy? My god.
흐르는 시간 속에서 너와 내 기억은 점점
희미해져만 가. 끝난 줄 알았어.
지난 여름 바닷가 너와 나 단둘이
파도에 취해서 노래하며 같은 꿈을 꾸었지.
다시 여기 바닷가 이제는 말하고 싶어.
네가 있었기에 내가 더욱 빛나. 별이 되었다고.
That's pretty cool. I never seen a thing like that before. Like, I normally see them like doing, you know, all kind of weird movement, but I never seen like that is such a precise movement on that thing. Like only move on the hand.
시간의 강을 건너 또 맞닿은 너와 나 소중한 사랑을 영원히 간직해줘
지난 여름 바닷가 너와 나 단둘이
파동이 줄여서 노래하며
I still have to make a course on rain. God damn.
다시 여기 바닷가
이제는 말하고 싶어 네가 있었기에 내가 더욱 빛나 별이 되었다고 별이 되었다고
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that again. God, his body is still like a great god. Oh my god. Yeah. So, yeah, I like the song. It's definitely like it's I thought it's more like comical, but like this song is like a serious song that they do serious thing. Of course, it's more retro vibe. I assume the audience that is not like the K-pop, fan audience, more like a me, like people who actually middle age, more adult target, like more retro vibe kind of thing. Nothing wrong with that. Love it, enjoy it. It's definitely like a different way of doing stuff because, well, not a different way of doing stuff, but like, how do I say? Like the song is just like cool colors, dancing around, easy to follow kind of thing. Like there's not as much surprise. Like there's rap here and there, but there's not that much like we gotta change the whole song and everything's gonna change kind of thing. I kind of miss that kind of sometimes. Anyway, love this song. If you like this as much as me, leave a like down below. If you want to see more of me, consider subscribing. Ring the notification bell. Comment down below. I don't know. Comment down below what you think. Like, I kind of want to know what you think if more and more of like older generation vibe coming back and K-pop is just not limited to teenager anymore kind of thing. Like I kind of want to see it happening. Like anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.